Spartan64 here, and today I am in a model train show, which is really cool. And I've been going to this when I was little, so yeah. Let's begin. And as you can see here, we have a train, and a train delivering logs, and a quarry. As you can see here, this is really cool. I like the design of the quarry.
I didn't see this before.
Where's the train? I don't know where the train is, but I'll sure do.
Except, it'll be cool too. It's not.
As you can see here, we have a railway, which is cool. And look, here we go. Oh my god, that is one awesome train. That's one cool train. I'm like, yeah, I think it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I guess 10 wheels. Damn. And here's the shunting yard. Holy crap! This shunting yard is huge. Oh my god, they're twins. Twins.
It's cute. It's better with the 611, but whatever. I heard 611. Maybe.
Oh my god, there's a train. Preston. If there was James or Gordon, that would be awesome. I'm like, I've been going to this for 1,000. Oh my god, there's a new train. There's a new train. Oh my god. Oh, that one. I'm like, I think this is one of the most longest trains ever. I'm like, this is the most longest because one, I think it takes 3 trains. It takes 3 trains. 3 engines. Oh, you've got to be kidding. Okay, now there we go. Now, Gordon, why did you stop? Why did you stop? Why did you stop? Yeah, that's right, Gordon. That's right. That's right. You better go. You better go. I'm recording you. I'm going to put it on YouTube. I'm going to put it on YouTube. Hey, cool, Percy. Percy. Hey, Percy. Are you going? And Santa Thomas. Santa Thomas. Merry Christmas, Thomas. Oh my god! Kisses! Pinchy. James, what are you doing up here?
Greg, take a look at this one. That's his train.
Oh,
He's running his train. He's part of the club. Right? He's part of the club.
you've gotta be kidding me.
That's so cute.
I'm running this on actually not training.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
Wait, is that Pokemon? No, wait, is that a Pokemon? Seriously, that's Pokemon. There's a Pikachu, there's a duck, there's Chikorita, which is May's Pokemon or something. I don't know. Thomas, what do you think? Yeah.
Meeting Duncan's train.
There's Percy.
Meeting Duncan's.
And there's another train coming. Whoa! Lion King. Is that Mickey Mouse? Okay, now this is starting to get... Now that's a huge one.
I don't see anything.
Are you Santa, Duncan?
Huh?
Who's Duncan? I mean, who's Santa? I'm sorry.
I'm right here, Bob. Alright.
I hope this comes out.
Gordon is turning around.
Stop
So
on track 6?
it'll take a few minutes.
I can do his voice. There's Breakdown Train. There's
It's really heavy.
Tender Engines, Sleeping. and other engines just being lazy for no, I don't know. And there's more diesels. And this reminds me of Earthbound or something, I don't know. Back to Junkyard. Oh my gosh. I'm like, when I was little, I think it was big, but when I'm 13, it's so small. There's a line of cabooses. Holy crap. Wait, that's a plane. And I guess that's a shed. Yeah, that's a shed. That's definitely a shed. And I'm going to see.
I got mine coming for you. Holy crap.
I think something will be coming in.
Being derailed right here.
Oh my god. Holy crap, it takes two.
Yeah, I'm losing my train.
Hey, Jim, it's not yours.
This is just amazing. Okay. I guess. Okay, I'm going to show you something. You see that? I guess that's part of like some background or something. I don't know. It's just really cool. And we have the giant station, which is awesome. I really like it. I really like this part. I'm like, this part is just wow. It's just wow. I'm like, I don't know why they don't move, but it's okay.
And then they gave me this
And is that a
thing that went over my shoulder.
and the Corey is just amazing right now. Just being awesome, Corey. Just being awesome. And I don't know what's this, but oh my god. Hey, here comes Gordon. Express. I don't know why. I'm like, I really want to see Gordon with 5 coaches.
You know, with
If Gordon has 5 coaches, that will be amazing.
ain't the same though.
And I don't know what this track goes to. I don't know where that goes to. Oh, I think that track goes to there. And I don't know which one it goes, but I guess I don't know where that tunnel goes.
Where it's along the loop high
Oh, and I think this one is just nothing. And I'm like, there's a lot of big improvements. And I think there's a yep. Don't know what the I bet that's a yep. That's a steamy. That's definitely a steamy. Steamy.
what's that like those using?
Oh, sorry.
What's that John Meteor?
I don't know which one it is.
Yes. That's just awesome.
I have actually a couple coming.
Oh, wait, it's a diesel.
I got
Oh man, I thought that was a steamy.
Volume 1.
Yeah.
And then I got the
I don't know what kind of guy it is.
Yeah. Yeah, I got the
Sailboat.
Wait a minute. What? Now that's what I call a line of trucks.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Holy crap! There's
Yeah, that one.
Show at
That
least.
one's nice.
I hear something coming, Mom. Me too. On the bottom. Nice. Leave it on the top bit. Will ya?
oh my god, I can see it.
Pack for the orange thing now here.
And I guess this one. I guess this one leads to the all the coal cars. And it's just a pile. And over here is just a pile of trucks. It's just a pile of cars all around.
Okay, one more time.
Oh my god! And there comes the Pokemon train. Oh Pokemon.
I'm boogieing.
So I guess this railway is. Oh, this diesel is going to the quarry.
Yeah, that's what
I don't know where. I don't know where it's going, but I'm pretty sure it's going to the quarry to get some. Oh wait, I think he's just a shunter. That's a shunter diesel. That's a. I don't know where. I don't know why there's trains underneath. Oh yeah, I gotta show you something before I go. Sorry. Oh, there we go. Okay, there we go. That's a perfect spot. Perfect. Oh my god, that's a long train. Like, look at it. Like, look at it. Just look at it. Sorry.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's okay. Alright, there's a lot of crates. And that one is just being weird.
It's like a really old guy who's like.
You can
Paul Mortar. And he has a really deep voice. Cool with me.
and you can actually see underground. I'm like, it's just wow. Wait a minute, I think I see a train. Yep, that's definitely a train. Oh my god, it's heading towards there. And it should come out right now. Oh, now Thomas. Bye, Thomas. Hey, Annie. Hey, Annie. Clarabelle.
Tony. I'm
Oh, the train stopped. Darn it.
Probably deliberately stopped for a rest. Wait, what's that you think?
Well, at least it's really cool to see. Oh. There's this one. Hey. Oh, like, I just really love this one because I just really love this train show because it's amazing. I'm like, the details are just so on like the island of Sodor. I'm like, this one is just. I'm like, this train show. It's kind of remind me of like the shows on Thomas and Friends. I like where they have this all set up and oh my. Okay, I'm just like going this and look. Like this one is man-made or something. I don't know. And I guess this one is just. Yeah, that. Oh? And the shunting yard is just, I don't know.
So I'm coming into the yard.
Okay, I'm impressed. I'm like, the building is just amazing. Like, it actually reminds me of watching Thomas and Friends all over again. I'm like, the light over there is just wow.
Yep, he's coming. He's all set up.
And as you can see, I think that's a Steamworks or Dieselworks.
That's Steve.
Huh?
That's
Oh.
Diesel.
Sorry.
Don't apologize. Don't you know?
Okay. Okay.
Go on out a little.
I'm like, I just really love this one because it has like a spark effect and the breakdown train is just being awesome.
Put Santa away.
I'm like, the vehicles are just really small. I'm like, look at this. I'm like, this part reminds me of Earthbound and this one reminds me of Thomas and Friends. So yeah. So, anyways, guys, I am going to leave off. So, anyways, guys, I'm going to leave you guys off. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm sorry that some of the parts I messed up. Okay, now this one just looks like definitely like Earthbound. So, unfortunately, I'll see you guys in the next video, and And Thomas, say goodbye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Thomas! Why? I always... No, forget it. I'll see you guys in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for me. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye. Oh my god! Is it...
There he is.
Is that a Star Wars character?
Oh,
Holy
look at
crap.
the Hershey Kisses.
The crossing
I wonder where